I see potentially a problem. Let me just go onto the server here and I'll show you what I found, which could be an indicator of something going on here. I kind of have a thought that maybe you're uploading the site into another folder on the server, your live server, because if I go into my, if I'm looking at my, this is the Sandbox site here. Here's the HTTP docs folder where you would publish your site to, which you did. If I go in here, oh, look, there's another HTTP docs folder. And then if I go inside of this, there's your website right there. Now, it didn't have all the files I was, the extension folder. So I went and after I downloaded it, I created a folder called July 3rd, basically. And I downloaded all the contents of the second HTTP docs folder. I downloaded that into I just refresh this here, a new folder called July 3rd, okay? And then I went and did my site settings, and I made sure to maintain, that wasn't checked to start with, so I checked it. And as you can sort of see here, on the live server, we have, see the VTI CNF, those two folders are not present on the live site. So that kind of makes me wonder if there was a problem. But anyways, long story short, when I open up the site, and I've did the site settings, I want to make sure you're looking at the same thing, that you see a private, you see a themes, okay, then expression FP folder, images, library site templates, then all your files. So right up here it should, the name of the folder that you're in, that's where it should sort of point to, but these are the actual other folders that you would see, not something like an HTTP docs folder. If you see something in there with HTTP docs, then you're in the wrong level of the website. But just as a FYI, if here's the contact page, let's just preview it. Yep, all the bits and pieces are working. It works perfectly fine. So if you get stuck, send me your FTP information for your live site, and I can throw this up in an emergency, but we still want to get you sorted out. Anyways, long story short, when I downloaded it, put it into, separated it out of the HTTP docs folder that it was the second one that was in, basically just creating a new folder and making sure all the files are there, and then making sure the site settings were enabled, it worked right away. So there's just something going on, and I think it has to do with maybe which folder you're looking at or have open locally, and that's why I'm sending in the video, so you can sort of see up here, you're going to have your link to your, your folder. Like I said, I created one called July 3rd, which you can see here, and then these are the folders that you should see after that. Okay, these are the only folders. If you see anything else like HTTP docs, then your site's one level too high. And we'll have to figure out how to get that sorted out for you. But